Before we begin, if you're passionate about unlocking your full potential, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Be part of our growing community and never miss a life-changing video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down The Lean Startup by Ries, a must-read for anyone looking to start a business or improve how they innovate. This book is all about building smarter, faster, and more efficient startups by focusing on learning, adapting, and delivering value. If you've ever thought about launching a business or creating something new, this book is your roadmap. It's not about having the perfect idea or product from day one. It's about learning as you go and staying flexible. Let's dive into the key lessons from The Lean Startup. Lesson 1. Start small with an MVP. The first big idea from The Lean Startup is the minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP is the simplest version of your product that solves a key problem for customers. It's not perfect, but it's good enough to test your idea and get feedback. Imagine an MVP like building a bike instead of a car. If customers are happy with the bike, you know you're heading in the right direction before investing in the entire car. Lesson 2. Build, measure, learn loop. At the heart of The Lean Startup is the build, measure, learn loop. It's a cycle where you build something, measure how customers respond, and learn from the results. Then you repeat the cycle, improving each time. Think of it like baking a cake. You try a simple recipe, build, taste it, measure, and tweak the ingredients, learn. Each loop brings you closer to the perfect cake or product. Lesson 3. Validated learning. Validated learning is another core concept. It means testing your assumptions with real data from real customers. Instead of guessing what people want, you test small, measurable experiments to find out. Imagine validated learning like a science experiment. You form a hypothesis. Customers want faster delivery. Test it with a small group and use the results to adjust your strategy. Lesson 4. Pivot or persevere. One of the hardest decisions in a startup is whether to pivot, change direction, or persevere with your current strategy. Ries teaches that data should guide this choice. If your tests show your idea isn't working, pivot to a new approach. If the data looks promising, keep going. Think of it like sailing. If the wind isn't taking you to your destination, you adjust your sails, pivot. If the wind is strong and steady, you keep your course, persevere. Lesson 5. Continuous deployment. Ries highlights the importance of continuous deployment, releasing updates and improvements frequently rather than waiting for a perfect product. This approach keeps you responsive to customer needs. Imagine continuous deployment like upgrading your phone's apps. Each update fixes bugs or adds features based on user feedback, ensuring the app stays useful and relevant. Enjoying the content so far? Show your support by smashing that like button, and don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a boost in their journey. Lesson 6. Innovation accounting. In The Lean Startup, Ries introduces innovation accounting, a way to measure progress in startups. Traditional metrics like revenue or profits might not apply early on. Instead, focus on learning milestones, like how many customers find your MVP valuable. Think of innovation accounting like planting a garden. Early on, you measure growth by sprouting seeds, customer interest, not by counting full-grown trees, profits. Lesson 7. Lean thinking saves resources. The Lean Startup approach is all about efficiency. By testing ideas quickly and focusing on what works, you save time, money, and effort. You avoid wasting resources on features or products nobody wants. Think of lean thinking like packing for a trip. If you only bring essentials, your journey is lighter, faster, and more enjoyable. Lesson 8. Embrace uncertainty. Startups thrive in uncertainty. Ries emphasizes embracing the unknown and staying flexible. The Lean Startup isn't about having all the answers, it's about adapting to find them. Imagine uncertainty like exploring a jungle. You don't have a map, But with tools like a compass, data, and machete, adaptability, you can carve a path forward. Lesson 9. Empower your team. Ries stresses that startups need empowered teams to succeed. Encourage collaboration, value input from all members, and create a culture of experimentation where everyone contributes. Think of your team like an orchestra. Each member plays a unique instrument, but together they create a powerful symphony when they collaborate and innovate. Lesson 10. Focus on customers, not competitors. Finally, the lean startup reminds us to focus on customers, not competitors. What do your customers need? What problems can you solve for them? By prioritizing customer value, you stay ahead of the competition naturally. Imagine customers like the sun. By focusing on them, you grow like a plant thriving in sunlight, while competitors scrambling in the shadows can't keep up. Ries's The Lean Startup is a game changer for entrepreneurs and innovators. By starting small, learning fast, and staying flexible, you can build businesses that truly solve customer problems. From the MVP to validated learning and the build, measure, learn loop, these principles help you stay efficient and adaptive in a rapidly changing world. Thanks for watching. If you found these lessons valuable, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights from groundbreaking books. See you next time. If this video gave you valuable insights, don't forget to subscribe and join the 15 MOSI family. Check out our other videos to explore more powerful ideas for personal growth. Looking for more? Check out our playlist on specific topic. It's packed with ideas to help you level up faster. Click the link here or in the description. We're giving away an exclusive guide on professional development. To enter, just subscribe, like this video, and comment below with 15 MOSI rocks. Let's grow and learn together.